In today's video, we would be running through the facts about the Thanjavur Air Force Station and about Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft, which was equipped with BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. Thanjavur Air Force Station of Indian Air Force is located in Thanjavur of Tamil Nadu, and it is home to the number 222 Squadron, which is also known as Tiger Sharks for the Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter aircrafts. This airfield was used by the Royal Air Force during World War II as a base for its Lockheed Hudson, Vickers Wellington, Hawker Hurricane and P-47 Thunderbolt aircrafts. After the war, the airfield was handed over to the government for civilian use and eventually came under the jurisdiction of Airports Authority of India. At this Air Force station, the Indian Air Force deployed the 222 Squadron, as mentioned, which is also known as Tiger Sharks, comprising 6 Sukhoi Su-30 MKI specially modified fighter jets, each carrying the 2.5-ton air-launched supersonic BrahMos cruise missiles. This squadron has been deployed due to China's growing presence in the Indian Ocean region. During deployment, according to Air Chief RKS Bhadauria, the decision to station the squadron in Thanjavur is due to its strategic location and as well as Sukhoi 30's maritime strike capabilities. Just to know about the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jet, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is an all-weather, multi-role fighter aircraft capable of undertaking varied air defense, ground attack and maritime missions. These fighters have the capability to strike at targets from sea and land with pinpoint accuracy during day and night time. The integration of BrahMos missile with Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter has been done fully indigenously, and the integration of the air-launched version of the BrahMos missile with the Su-30 MKI fighter has been done fully by the BrahMos Aerospace, HAL and Air Force of India. The BrahMos gives the Sukhoi a combat radius of almost 1,500 kilometers without mid-air refueling. India first launched the BrahMos from a specially modified Su-30 warplane against a target in the Bay of Bengal in 2017, followed by a second launch in 2019. The Tiger Sharks squadron will eventually have 18 fighters. Around 6 of them will be equipped with the BrahMos cruise missile. The modifications to the fighter includes the hardened electronic circuitry to shield it from the electromagnetic pulse of a nuclear blast, and the integral aerodynamic configuration combined with the thrust vectoring results in practically unlimited maneuverability and unique takeoff and landing characteristics. Along with the aircraft, the missile was also modified to make it carry a reduced booster and fins for stability. The missile can be released from a height of 500 to 14,000 meters. After release, the missile falls freely for 100 to 150 meters, then moving into a cruise phase at 14,000 meters. And finally, the terminal phase at 18 meters will get activated. The air variant of the BrahMos missile is lighter than its sea and land counterparts. So this was a quick update about the Thanjavur Air Force Station, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and the BrahMos missile which is integrated with it. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.